Sharing downloaded videos on Netflix with your friends, family is pretty fun, right? But how can you actually do it? This video is step-by-step guide to do that. First, you need to go to the Run FlexiCam and log into your Netflix account. Run FlexiCam on a PC, log into a Netflix account. Simply tap on sign in. You can open up the login window. This is simple. You can simply see on the screen. Every step is very easy. Now go to the settings on the upper right corner, customize the output settings including the output format. It can be MKV, MP4, and you can select the quality of high, low, depends on your internet speed. To find the videos you are looking for, simply type the name of the video on the Netflix. It's simple, just click on the search box. For example, here's the robots video. There are a lot of robots video. Well, you can search your own video that you want to use. Once you find the video, just click on the activate download button. So at the bottom right corner, which will turn green. By clicking the green download button, window will appear where you can choose the series and all the audio video quality. You can already select audio tracks, bit rates, original size and stuff. Make sure it aligns with your data pack. Now finally just hit the download button and boom, downloading will start. So this is how you can share the videos with your friends and family too. It's so simple. What you need to do is just simply just go to the FlexiCam and I'll see you in the next one.